Hey everyone, quick tutorial on faces, normals, using Blender. Um, right here, I have a cube that's been exported out into Unity, which shows the issue that you may be having. If you look all the way around the cube, everything's fine except for that one face. It's basically transparent, see-through. If you zoom in far enough, you can see that face is inverted. And there's an easy way to fix that, and an easy way to catch it before you've exported it. Any projects that you're working on. So let's hop over here into Blender. This is that same cube that I've imported into Unity. What you want to do is go select your object, go into edit mode by hitting tab. And then the best thing to do is to go over to the overlays menu and come down here to the bottom and click normals. This third option here, it says display normals. And then you have actually a slider here to increase the size of the line that's coming out of your faces. That's basically just showing you which, if it's facing outward or inward on your normals, as far as the rendering. And you'll notice that on this cube, this is the only face on here that doesn't have that line facing outwards. So the easy way to fix that is just select that face and then just hit Control Shift in and then uncheck inside. And then it'll send it outside, and then now everything looks fine. We'll just let me go back out in object mode and just export this back out into Unity and overwrite that same box. Hop back into Unity, and you'll notice now that the box is perfectly fine. Anyway, happy blending.